to lane 1. Your race starts.
Alright, so here I am setting up for the first pass. Honestly, I was so like nervous here that I didn't even feel like recording anything with the normal camera. So I'm just kind of getting everything set up, throw the camera in the back, get that thing out of the way, making sure my scanner's going to work, turn the fan on, get it in gear, and I didn't, up until this point, I had only gone wide open throttle on the way here for about 2 seconds, so I had no idea really what the tune was going to do. It was kind of close on that little spurt that I had, and I did turn the boost controller down 2 full turns. So I kind of was a little bit nervous here and just wanted to pay attention to the truck and make sure everything was going to be okay and hopefully not blow it up again.
Let's check his scan out.
What did you do?
I went. It was a 12.8.
Yeah.
So not too bad, I guess.
Yeah, what was your last pass that you did?
12.6. It was a 12.8, but
you were spinning out the hole.
Yeah,
bad.
It spun up to 59 and then went back down to 34.
Really?
So wheel spun up to 59, then down to 34. So and I didn't go wide open throttle until 4 seconds into the pass. So that was fastest mile an hour and close to the fastest time, and didn't go wide open until 4 seconds in because of the wheel spin. So maybe we'll throw the slicks on.
That was an awesome pass.
That was pretty decent. 11'6", 1/8 60 foot.
Yeah, that's not even that good of a 60.
That's getting pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. That was a lot more squirrely.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, holy fuck.
I told you.
But it was like, I was like in the seat, but all over the place. So I knew it was going forward. So that's better.
Did you sit on the brake a little bit?
A little bit, but then I like lurched forward, so I just went.
Well, it lurched forward, but it stopped.
True.
So, I don't know. But
I don't know like how far it went, so I was like, I'm just gonna go, and Jason fucked up the time or whatever. But that was definitely better.
Oh, yeah.
Excited about that.
a little better burnout. I think you get that 1.660.
Yeah, I was like going, and I'm like looking for smoke. I'm like, don't see any smoke, but I'm like,
at the end it'll start smoking.
I'm like 60 miles an hour, like.
Dude, I'm like pegged speedo.
Yeah.
Yeah, like wow.
I tried
Or do like if you want to just be like real aggressive, you could literally just floor it, count the shifts, 1, 2, 3, and lift.
Yeah.
That's how a lot of guys do it. Yeah, I seen it leave and it went like I heard the tires grip and I'm like, yes.
Yeah, it well, I was still. So blue line is when I started moving, and then right here is where I actually went full throttle, and it looks like I lifted a little bit. So I wasn't even. You need to just like get on it and stay on it right away. It's knocking again when it shifts.
Yeah, you gotta get that intake temp down.
So that's at fucking 9 degrees.
172, 180. How much does the intake? Like, what does the intake air start at? It almost looks like it gets colder. Is the white? No,
I
white
don't
line.
I don't have that one on here. So it starts at like 90. It comes up pretty fast.
Really, dude, that's not good. That's why you're knocking pistons on the fucker. I'm serious.
Well, the last one was 118 when that happened.
When the pistons broke?
Yeah, it was 118.
Probably because it's gaining heat so fast. You know what I mean?
Could be.
That's weird, even with that intake scooping.
Alright, so that's it for this one, guys. Kind of excited. Tonight went pretty well. I wasn't expecting it. So, as far as wide open throttle testing, before I went to the track, I got into it one time for about 2 seconds, and fuel looked good, and that's when I made the first pass. So, probably not the greatest idea. But what I've been noticing with this truck, the wide open throttle stuff doesn't change. Doesn't change. I don't know what it is, but the idle, like driving around, all that stuff is like fucking all over the place sometimes. But wide open throttle, it's like within 1 to 2% every time I go out. I'm like, tweak it a little bit. And I mean, I changed map sensor, I changed injectors, I changed a whole bunch of stuff, and it's like right where it needs to be. Right there, every time. Put my foot on it, and it's there. So, it's just weird. But this thing did 11.6 tonight, 116 miles an hour, so it's my fastest time, fastest mile an hour. Pretty excited about that. Kind of puts it into perspective for me that this was 12 pounds rising to about 14 and 9 or 10 degrees of timing. So I'm not going to need much more to get into that 10-second range, which is where I want to be. So we're going to keep trucking along, doing what we need to do with this thing. I just think it's funny. I put the weaker pistons and rods in there and went faster, a lot faster, but it was related to the tires. And I talked to Hunter. I made the first pass, and I talked to Hunter, and he's like, was the tune good? I said, yes. He said, don't touch it. Put the tires on. Okay, because the first pass was without the tires. He's like, don't touch the tune, just put the tires on. Did that and picked up a full second. So it was actually more than that, because the first pass today was a 12.8, and then with the slicks on was 11.6. So I picked up 1.2 seconds, but 1 full second from my fastest pass. Thanks to Hunter, he's got a lot of good tips, and thanks to Christian for getting the video today. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you for shooting the video. Couldn't do it without you guys, and until next time, have a good one.